Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Clash Royale not loading or being stuck on the loading screen. So, if your game won't open, this quick fixes should get you back into the battle. Let's get started. So, Clash Royale needs a stable internet connection. So, you want to make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router if you're on Wi-Fi, because a weak connection is often the main reason the game gets stuck on loading. So after that, you want to go ahead and simply close the Clash Royale app completely and then relaunch it. If that does not help, restart your phone or tablet to clear any background glitches. After that, once you have done that, you want to make sure your app is updated. Open up your app store and then inside here, simply search for Clash Royale. And if you see update instead of open button, you want to go ahead and simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So once you have done that, head back to your home screen. If nothing works for you, long press on the app, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then simply tap on delete. Once the app is deleted, you need to go ahead and simply open up the app store again and reinstall it. Also check if the servers are down, because the problem might not be on your end. You can check Clash Royale official Twitter or Supercell forums to see if there are any outage. That's it. That's simply how you can fix Clash Royale when it's stuck on loading screen. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.